Welcome back to LGS Cars. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't just follow the future, but defines it. A machine that blends raw electric power, cutting-edge intelligence, and premium luxury into one bold statement. This is the BYD Datang, a next-generation electric SUV from BYD that could shake the global automotive industry. Is this the EV SUV that will challenge the world's biggest brands? Let's dive deeper, this time in full detail. Exterior design, futuristic, bold, and aerodynamic. The BYD Datang 2026 is designed to stand out instantly. It combines aggressive styling with aerodynamic efficiency, giving it a strong road presence and futuristic identity. Dimensions estimated. Length 4.8 to 5.0 meters. Width approximately 1.95 meters. Height approximately 1.7 meters. Wheelbase approximately 2.9 meters. This places it firmly in the mid to large SUV segment, offering both space and stability. Front design closed-off EV grille, clean and modern. Ultra-slim matrix LED headlights. Signature DRL light strip, active air vents for battery cooling. Side profile, strong shoulder lines for a muscular stance. Flush door handles for better aerodynamics. Large 20 to 21-inch aerodynamic wheels. Slight coupe-style roofline for a sporty touch. Rear design full-width LED, light bar integrated roof spoiler, clean tailgate design, modern diffuser-style bumper. The result? A premium, futuristic SUV that looks like it came straight from a concept car. Interior, a high-tech luxury cabin. Step inside the BYD Datang 2026, and you're welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional SUV. Dashboard and layout minimalist horizontal dashboard. Large floating infotainment display, 15 to 17 inches. Fully digital instrument cluster. Touch and rotary control integration. Materials and build quality premium. Nappa leather seats, soft touch surfaces throughout brushed aluminum or wood accents. 64-color ambient lighting, comfort features, power adjustable seats with memory, heated and ventilated seats, optional massage function, panoramic glass roof technology, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto AI-powered voice assistant. Over-the-air OTA updates premium sound system, up to 14 speakers. This cabin is designed to be smart, luxurious, and incredibly comfortable. Performance, powerful electric driving experience. As a fully electric SUV, the BYD Datang 2026 delivers instant torque and impressive performance. Powertrain options, estimated, RWD, single motor, 300 to 350 horsepower, AWD, dual motor, 500 to 600 horsepower. Performance figures 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, approximately 4 seconds, AWD. Top speed, approximately 200 kilometers per hour. Driving feel instant acceleration, smooth and silent ride, low center of gravity for better handling. It's not just efficient, it's genuinely exciting to drive. Battery and range, advanced EV technology at the heart of the BYD. Datang 2026 is the latest battery innovation from BYD, Blade Battery Next Generation. High safety, resistant to overheating. Long lifespan, improved energy efficiency. Estimated specs battery capacity, 80 to 100 kilowatt hours. Range, 500 to 650 kilometers, WLTP. Charging DC fast charging, 10 to 80% in approximately 30 minutes. AC home charging, 6 to 8 hours. Perfect for both daily use and long-distance travel. Smart technology, a smart SUV experience. The BYD Datang 2026 is more than a car, it's a connected smart device. Intelligent features, AI driving assistant, cloud-based navigation, facial recognition system, infotainment, responsive UI, multi-screen interaction, advanced voice commands, OTA updates, continuous software improvements, new features added over time. Safety, advanced driver assistance systems. Safety is a key strength of this SUV. ADAS features adaptive cruise control, ACC, lane keeping assist, LKA, autonomous emergency braking, AEB, blind spot monitoring, traffic jam assist, additional safety, 360-degree HD camera, automatic parking assist, multiple airbags designed to deliver maximum confidence on every drive. Market position, a serious global competitor. With its advanced features, the BYD Datang 2026 is ready to compete with Tesla Model Y, Hyundai Ioniq 5, Toyota Bizza Series, Ford Mustang, Mach-E key advantages, competitive pricing, advanced battery technology, feature-rich package, futuristic design final verdict, a potential game changer. The BYD Datang proves that BYD is no longer just catching up. It's leading the charge into the future. This SUV delivers bold futuristic design, premium high-tech interior, powerful electric performance, long driving range, advanced safety and smart features. If priced competitively, the BYD Datang 2026 could become one of the most disruptive electric SUVs in the global market.